the Hoodmaster Challenge?
Blown away. I mean, just the sheer number of hoods, the bar is being set higher every year.
The funding that's going to be raised from this event will help fund high school and college collision programs, which the industry is in desperate need of.
You see the pins done by high school kids here. We love getting involved with CREF and all of the schools and educational foundations out there that are really driving the future of the industry.
Have you seen the Kids Corner yet?
No.
Do you want to go see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
My favorite element is the creativity, the ingenuity behind each different hood, how people attack different creative situations and different problems.
I said to myself, judging is going to be very, very challenging because there's so much talent displayed. It's unbelievable.
What I love about it is the artistry. We're getting back to the basics and really seeing all of the different hoods that everybody is showcasing.
I just wanted to do something that kind of captured my love for racing and my passion for art.
Just getting people from the industry, manufacturers, the painters, everyone together in one room, I think is huge because it's a brotherhood and that really supports that. And to get everybody so they can share stories, look at product, and it's overall a community, I think that's huge.